Hit.
Hit it? Nice.
Hit. 1,100 yards. I'm here at Sniper Country, run by Desert Tactical Arms. I've had the opportunity to be a guest here at their precision rifle course. We've had world-class professional training. We've had top-notch equipment such as this DTA SRS covert rifle. And I'm hoping over the next couple weeks to share with you guys my experience that we've had here. Just show you guys some of the equipment, show you some of the shooting that we've done, some of the training that we've had. I'm really excited to share with you guys my experience, and it should be a really fun series of vids, so stick around.
Connected.
Nice. Where was it? But really the beauty of this rifle, I don't know if you guys think it is, but I think it's just dead sexy. That's how I would describe it. It shoots amazing. So, awesome. And as always guys, thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.